pretty good.
Oh boy, I can't believe this. This is great.
Oh man.
Is that just whipped cream?
Yeah. Grayson.
Oh, you want to share?
Share with Grandpa. Never mind, I'll lick it. Never mind, I'll do it. Got it? Try some of the cake.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna be on a sugar high.
That's so cute. Why doesn't Drew put his face down there?
That was the best.
That was so funny.
I wish we had our camera.
Oh.
Oh, Grayson.
We knew that was going to happen.
Oh, look, there's stuff in the middle.
My floors.
Okay. Here you go. Oh, did you see that?
What was it?
Took the whole thing.
Oh,
Grandpa bite.
Thank you.
No, let's don't be tossing it.
Hey,
Grayson,
you're making a
look.
mess. Grandpa?
Oh, I think he must be done.
I think you
He's
like
throwing it all down.
Yeah, and they just like, just watch it splat. That was almost in your head.
That was a good one, buddy.
That was
Great.
That's good.
Oh, that was
Wow,
funny.
that was too funny how we attacked that.